So welcome to today's class, and in reality I am taking 27th session, but this is the 20th. Okay, I will check it. So this.
Second session I am lecture. So
Yeah.
today I got a membership number.
Oh, congrats! What's your number?
Number I don't know much. It's a concatenation is 9. It's beautiful number 9.
Okay. So Gopi has. Okay, so Gopi has got Screenwriter Association Mumbai's number. Congratulations to him. And
Thank you.
yeah. So I was going through things actually that what's happening nowadays, because now the time is very different, and I was hearing one gentleman. His name is, I will tell you his name. He's a producer, I think, from Canada. And if any one of you who are watching this video or who are in the class present now, they can go and check out. It's a very long video. I couldn't see it complete. It's a 4 hour long video, a 4 hour long interview. But this gentleman has given, and his name is Jeff Davret. Jeff Davret. So, and particularly, he is mainly a producer. He's a producer, and he has made movies which were sold to Netflix. So, Jeff Davret is a person, and I had some chatting with some people from, I think, America for my horror script writing, and there was someone, people was asking me that he has made many horror movies. I have made only one horror movie. Actually, I have not made only one horror movie. On my website it's one, but after that I co-directed 3 series of supernatural, like short films, with my friend Satyam. And
Sir,
but
Breaking Bad, how many series, sir?
how many
Series. 4.
seasons? 5 seasons.
He said all the seasons.
Let us see how much I will take. Maybe I will finish this second, then I will watch other, and then let's see. See, I tell you one thing. I tell you one thing. Uh, See, I told you this thing that I was not into writing, not into teaching thing. Though we started a film school many years ago, but teaching is not my
Sir,
trip.
I'll watch this all videos, then I'll watch your YouTube.
Yeah,
Then I will understand all the things.
yeah. No, what I am saying actually, I was also, as I told you, Hayatrinath, and someone has also come. Rakesh has also come. Hi, Rakesh. So I was having this conversation, like they were pointing this thing, and I told them that this you should also understand. People who are watching over there. See, I spent 3 years and 8 months in a national film institute run by Government of India, and many big people came over there. Some were good from other departments, cinematography, sound, editing workshops. I did not attend because I was not editing student, but I had interest in cinematography, so I attended workshop which was only for cinematography students. That was Kodak workshop. Many people came. I don't want to name, but many people came. And when I went to the institute, I heard that a very big name came, and students told me that he is a big director, but he's not a good teacher. The things I learned were not from the people who were. There were people like some of our faculties. See, films is very different medium. But there are a lot of problems with films. First, the qualification. If you are an engineer, and if you are a, suppose you have done some degree, if you have done LLB, so the job requirement needs LLB. But in films it's not like that. Anyone can do anything, and people can do. Institutes are, it was never been an institute, but institutes, but most of the technicians came from the institute. And there was a time when big actors were coming from institutes. They became very big. Shatrughan Sinha, Nasiruddin, Om Puri, uh, Shabana Azmi, and a lot of like. Then government stopped acting course. Now, one controversy theory was this, that people in Bollywood did not wanted people from other middle classes to come through an institute and become actors, because becoming an actor means taking the biggest chunk of money, and once you take the biggest chunk of money you will start dictating by producing films. You can enter into politics. So this was a controversy theory which was told to me by various people, and to a certain extent it was okay. Then there was one gentleman who came from Bollywood, and he came for teaching, but his intention was to buy that institute at cheap price. This was I heard. I don't know the reality. So I was having this conversation with someone. So many people came in our institute in direction department, but not all people. Like some people came with very big credits, but as a teacher they were not able to communicate, or they had no interest in teaching actually. One thing is, when you are teaching, you should have interest in teaching. I made, when I shot my first horror film, it was year 2006 actually, December 2006, which got completed in more than 1 year time. But I did not started teaching particularly horror films at that time. I could have done that, but I never do this thing. Whatever I do, I take a lot of time in doing research and having experience of that thing. And not all teachers are Einsteins, and not all teachers are Aryabhattas. Teaching is something different. So that I was telling to that person, and I told him one thing, and you also understand one thing, that when you are doing something, it doesn't mean that if, hello, yeah, if you are doing something, it doesn't mean that you are able to do, or you are doing it rightly. Many people are there in the films who got opportunity, who had money, but they couldn't make good movies, or the movies were either not marketed or did not have any big stars, whatever the reasons. But now it doesn't matter. It matters that you are making money, you are making movies. Just making movies doesn't mean that you are a good director, a good writer, you are on the right track. You look at the particularly horror films, like you look at what happened to the horror cinema in India. Ramsey started, very few movies they made, and then they went into the same track. Then what happened? People started disliking them, but they were on a, they knew the art, so they produced this Z horror show in which they made money, and it was good. Z horror show at that time was good. Then Ahat came on Sony. Z horror show was on Z. Then came Ahat. Ahat was also good because Sony was a big company, so they could put more budget into there, and they were new. They were competing with other channels. But then, if you look at the movies we couldn't compete with the world which we were watching. We started watching Western movies, which were Western horror movies. We started watching Star Plus, HBO. They became, so when they came, they were like, for us they were almost free of cost. So it was their marketing time. They were marketing themselves at that time. But we lost our track. And also in Hollywood, if you look at the Hollywood movies, many movies are very bad movies. And there are guys who are still making movies. There are people in various other countries also. They are making. And this is Now, what happens? Why we go for this academic session? So, Mr. Pawan Gulati is also here. He's also my uncle, and he asked one question. And I today I was missing you. I was watching link. Or I was watching a long video. The question which you asked, that how this class will help us. So I was watching a 4 hour long video of a Canadian producer who was able to sold 3 of his movies to Netflix. And then I was having this chat with some American guys, I think. They were asking about the qualification to teach. See, when you do something, see, you should understand that everything you do is with your mind. As a writer, as a people of filmmaking, we know that when we do something, when we don't work on the script particularly, it's very difficult to make a good movie out of bad script. You can make a bad movie out of good script, but you cannot make a good movie out of bad script. So the more you put the mental work, in your project, the better are the chances to make that project well. And it is a cheaper thing. But the problem is that not all people are able to do mental work. And acquiring knowledge is not only when you are learning with textbooks, and not only when you are working only. If working could make a man Einstein, then why doesn't all engineers or all people, all mechanics become Einstein? Einstein was not working, he was just thinking. So, this thing you should understand, and everyone who are watching there, and that is why we have departments who are like the brain of each section. Suppose we are, why we have politicians when we already have executive bodies? Why we have judges? So there is a particular task of learning things through observation, through experience, and there are a lot of things. I told you that in the law, sometimes long discussions take place on a single word, and after 50 years, they find that with in 50 years they could not understand one simple word. I could say I have spent so many years. Okay, I started with 1998 with theater up to now, okay. But I tell you frankly that when I actually got into after film school, and I think more than after passing out more than like 2007 to I would say 2016. So almost after 9 years, except the time I spent in institute, except the time I spent in reading the books, except at the time I spent in college years and doing theater. After 9 years of my film institute, I was able to understand what's happening inside. And apart from the artistic content, which is a film or series, there is also business content, which takes more years to understand. But if we develop the systems, and which is an academic system, like we started film schools, then in the business people are coming from MBA or law people are coming, and when they come, these academic institutions provide us learning from the experience of other people and from the theories, and but that is also important. Suppose you are making, now we are going long discussion about Breaking Bad. I mean, it's so pleasing. We never had an opportunity in our film school to go to such. We did for movies, but not for TV. But I doubt whether people do this thing, such kind of exercise. But the way we are going, it will impact our work in the later years. Maybe after 2 years, 3 years. And writers, particularly writers' work, is also, it takes very long time. You can write easily, but there is something in India which is called Trinetra. So various cultures have Trinetra. Buddhism has this middle eye of Shiva also, Buddha also, and other god and goddesses also. Likewise, your Trinetra, your third eye. Three means third. So that gives you power to look into the things. And when you look into the things, even then you understand better. An academic session is for that purpose. As I always said, it is for improvement. So I will also send link to all of you. If you have interest, go and watch that 4 hour long interview. I have seen 2 hours today. And look how difficult it is for the producers even who are already there to get their work approved through Netflix or some other platforms. Any questions anyone wants to ask, then I will continue. I think we discussed
Nikhil
seven.
bro,
Yeah.
I one question.
Yes, yes, yes.
Question means, yeah, it's like
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
most of the people would ask this.
Hmm.
Maybe the discussion what we have done so far, like
Hmm.
in the films, like do we need to go to the film school? I mean, is it necessary, or if there is any way because of the technology, or maybe we have many resources, so we can learn it, or like another way is maybe like you or me, if we are taking a classes, film
I tell you,
writing classes,
okay.
right? So is there anything necessary for that,
I
or
will
like
come to Santosh
uh,
also. I will, I will,
yeah,
I
do we
will
need
answer
to
that.
go further?
Yeah. See, actually, when I went to film school, films used to be made in 35 mm, and 35 mm was very expensive raw material. So, particularly for cinematographers, it was very important for them to go to film school because film schools could provide raw material over there, and cameras are also expensive. But nowadays, with digital technology, you can have access that like at cheap. So for particularly for cinematography course, it's good that you go. But problem is, see, film schools are not bad place. Film schools are very good places for learning. I won't say for writers, actors, but also for them. I mean, it's film schools are not bad. But the problem, there are lot of problems, not few problems, lot of problems. One is that the time when you should go and start working in the industry, that time is spent in the film school. So, what should be the age of film school? I think it should be 18, between 18 and 20. But people go after that, and longer for longer years they work. Like they study for longer years, and when they pass out they are like 28, 29, 30. Somewhere over 30, somewhere like when I passed out, when I went there I was 23, I became 24 in the very first year, but my friend was 29. When he passed out he was like 34. So now you have to go and struggle at the age of 34. This doesn't make sense. When the same work you could start when you are 18, go assist someone. Ashok Mehta was just a trolley puller, and he was at that time when like people were not allowed to touch even camera. But many cinematographers have come from institute, so it's good that they go to institute. But they should also think that at what age they are going. Editors can also go to film institute, but what happens that nowadays like people are doing 3 month course and they are coming to work. So same editor who has spent 3 years, 4 years, same editor has to compete with that person, a person coming after 3 months or 6 months course. and one is coming after 3 years, and initially they are paid at same level. And machine operation is not difficult now. Earlier it was footage, like, so you have to know, like, but now it's like digital, so things are changing at a very fast speed. I think in 2016 when I was teaching, I was in Delhi. So 2016 when I was teaching at a film school, at that time I was discussing something with my friend that in which camera they are making. So I thought that they were still using, like, within 5 years of time. By that time only last movie made in 35 was Jab Tak Hai Jao by Yash Chopra. Within 5 years span, the whole 35 became obsolete. They turned to like digital world, and now with now theaters have become obsolete due to lockdown. So what will be the future is very difficult to know. So if you go to film school, the thing is, either go if you are young, very young, quite young. For me, it's 18 to 20. Now, if you want to do cinematography course, for that I would say, and most of the people come for only that course. In sound designing, again, the problem is if someone does sound designing, for example, 1 year assistant, he becomes assistant for 1 year, then he will, and the same person will be treated at the same level who is coming after 3 years course. There is a saying in Mumbai that if you hold boom for three months, you become a sound designer. That thing is also there, but also there are people from film institute who are doing good work, but then they have to compete with the people who are not coming from any educational background and have only little experience. So I can't say actually. I think my suggestion is that for cinematography, you can go to film institute, but film institutes are also for making contact if you are not from films. And suppose you go alone, with whom you will make contacts. I have lot of contact, but not that even if you make contact, this is also important to know. Some people think that we will go to film school to make contact, but how much your friends will appreciate you after becoming famous. Like, I know many people from our batch, junior, senior. Some people became famous and they don't communicate properly.
Yeah, yeah, correct.
So I
But
think,
yeah,
yeah,
continue that. Writer, especially, I'm talking about
writers.
special aspect.
I see. I tell you one thing. See, that was the time when there was no education available. Even today, also, there's not much. If you look at YouTube, if you have to learn, you can get paid classes from teachers. See what I am putting on YouTube. You can you find something like that on YouTube? Like, YouTube is there for so many years. So many directors and writers have come. 20. I have uploaded 25th. I think 25th chapter, like 25th class. I uploaded 25 classes of
Session.
1 hour.
Yeah, yeah.
Is there anyone who has done this thing from India at least? From outside, there are people who are doing, but they are also getting that. They are also the paid versions. So you have to. They will upload one or two, and then they ask you to pay for the later sessions. But now at least you have some access to knowledge. Access to knowledge is there. For writers, problem is that people don't want to learn. That is, I think, that is major problem.
You're right.
Even if you go to institute, you will not learn, because there are many people who goes to institute and waste their time. So now
Yeah,
resources
time and
are
money.
there. Resources are there. You can become writers association member. You can attend few workshops, attend few sessions, or like online classes. I think that is enough to become the writer with some knowledge of how films work and related to films knowledge, which I have already talked about. longer longer courses have become, I think, obsolete. But you need your projects to show. I think it's better to start with the industry directly. That is what I think. Because at that time one was there to guide me, I mean, or many people of my age. And many people are not from industry, like they live outside industrial area, industrial hub. Like not everyone lives in Mumbai or other industrial hub. They don't have access to knowledge. You have to go at early age and start your career. I mean, start your career as assistant. But these are artistic careers. For writers, directors, producers, singers, actors, they need to have revenue from other sectors. Even in editing and sound designing, it's very difficult to earn good amount initially. Money is a very big issue in films. We see stars, but only they get paid like better. So if you are an engineer or doctor, stick to your profession, get good money from there, and then spend some time in your creative work as an actor or writer, or if you want to direct, then make a pledge. Like Gopi was asking me to join some online classes of the some film institute, and I know that that would be very expensive, and it's of no use of doing so expensive, like because film schools, when you are they will take, of course they will take their brand name value. Very stupid thing, because this is the problem. Now they don't know anything about series writing. Series is much difficult to write. That should be
He called me
expensive.
many times.
Huh?
He called me many times for the series.
Yeah,
For series writing. Okay.
that's fine, but series writing is much difficult than
That
writing.
was they are doing.
So see, and you being a writer, even if you go to film school, I tell you my experience, like our experience. We got one teacher which was very good. Other teachers were like okay. One teacher was, and he was not from film school. He used to come from outside, and the staff is given so much burden. The faculty members actually they have so much burden of taking classes, so they are very busy with the kind of structural classes, like okay, this session will be there, this we will complete, this we will complete. So outside, the teachers sometimes who come from outside, they don't have such burden, so they spend better time with us. But then you have to go and ask them, go and push them to get out of from them, like something. That is the scene. Otherwise, it's difficult to get knowledge even from them. Like, but not everyone is interested. Actually, I'm telling you, people who are within industry also and who are from film school, not all people spend time in learning. Time in learning is something different, which we human beings don't like actually. So we waste our
Yeah,
time. Yeah.
everyone will ask for kind of, if you are a writer, for example, I'll be approaching you like, I don't want to learn from you, but I want to, work with you like an assistant,
Yeah.
so that somehow you will give me work. So
Yes,
what
yes,
my
yes.
my thing is, I mean, my point of view is,
Mm.
there is nothing wrong in it being
Yeah,
an
yeah,
assistant and
nothing
learning
wrong.
the work,
Yeah.
but you should know the basics at least in order to be an assistant for one person, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, that is what. At least you should know basics. Without knowing anything, you feel that you're a writer and
So
doing
what
that.
happens? The situation actually, what happens under such situations? What happens? The same situation. Suppose Jesse is coming to. Suppose Jesse is coming to Walter. That Walter, you are a
Yeah,
chemistry teacher, and suppose Walter is running. Person like Walter is running a lab, and someone like Jesse comes, and what happens, that what he or she wants, that to learn for some time few things, and then go and apply that.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
I mean, approach would be different, as you said. Like Jesse, his way of learning is completely different. We can see that in the whole his journey. I mean, from the starting onwards,
Mhm.
he was learning a different way.
Yeah.
Not in a class. Walter says that like you didn't learn in my class
Mhm.
anything. I mean, from the
Yeah.
beginning onwards,
Okay.
you didn't learn anything.
So Santosh has asked one question. Sir, I am also actor. My question is, writing is important for actor also, or okay, sir? See, when you are an actor, your priority is getting work. That is your priority, and you will feel that I am blessed that I am getting work. Sometimes you spend 10 years in acting, and somehow the chances come that you, so the time or the moment for you to become choosy is might be very late. But I told you about in previous session about Sylvester Stallone, that how he made Rocky. He wrote the script of Rocky and he wanted to work in that movie, and he stick to his this point that I will work as an actor. I will not give my script. That is one thing, but not all are fortunate for that. See, when you are in films, don't just think yourself only into acting. But if you really want to be into acting, character understanding is very important for you. Like sometimes you are given roles which may look very good, but they are not in, like, script writing is actors generally they don't go too much into, they are just interested in what is their dialogue, what is the situation, and just tell me. So the art is different. You have to work in your art form, that is an actor's art form, where you adapt to a character, you imagine that character, think about the character, and then you work. For that you don't need to go into scripting. But if you want to improve yourself further, if you want to understand more what's happening, then script writing is important. Otherwise, for an actor, it's not important. That I would say. So, suppose you want to go into more into direction, or you want to become producer. At that time, it is important actually.
Yeah, I will add one point.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, because
Tell me. Tell me.
it's important. Yeah, I feel it's important to an actor because
Mm-hmm.
the scripts they are selecting it. That is what their fate or the journey I'm talking about. That is how their the progression. So
Yeah, but
you should
see,
know. I'm not saying you no need to learn completely the script writing course or whatever it is. I mean to say, at least you should have a basic knowledge to understand what other person is saying and whether it will fit to my my
yeah, but
kind of acting
at
or
that, but at which moment you will become choosy in your career as an actor? Only
yeah,
in
yeah,
later
true.
years, not initially. Very
So
few
initial
people.
also sometimes what happened if you get a one or two chances,
Mhm.
maybe all of suddenly you get some. I mean, it's not a buzz kind of thing. At least people will ask you, okay, this guy is good.
Mhm.
Many people will come.
Mhm.
So if you get a one chance, it's like see, any person will get a one chance in whole
I
lifetime.
tell you from
Thereby,
my point of view. See, my course was direction and script writing. I
okay,
can easily give up script writing because I have projects under direction, and I can go to direction.
yeah,
But when I think of going to the direction, and I have seen scripts written by other people, I don't like scripts actually. I have read like unproduced scripts. So
okay,
script, yeah, I don't like the scripts actually. And apart from that, like it's very difficult to take someone else's script actually for a director.
true.
If you are
Yeah, for
also a
their
writer,
point of view.
yeah, not only point of view, actually there are a lot of things in the script, because not like many
We
people
can't
are
write
like coming like two
completely.
scripts, three
Yeah,
scripts. They are written
ideology.
just two or three scripts. Not just ideology. Ideology is there. One important factor is there. but people are coming with one, two, or they have written one, two, or three scripts, and sometimes they write, but there is nothing in the script actually. Yeah. So
So that's what the hidden things. Obviously, the person,
yeah,
only the writer or person.
yeah. Now see,
will
I am
recognize.
trying to get. I for the last 1 year actually, I'm trying to create something like a OTT platform with production. So I'm searching
Okay.
for finances. So now how I am able to do this? Because for the so many years I have at least I have control over the content, but not over the business part I don't know, but content is there. But
Yes.
for business part, people are already in the business, but frankly speaking, in the artistic field people are very less. People in marketing department are there, people in software designing are there, and they are ruling. Like Netflix, what is Netflix? Netflix is nothing, it's just a combination of marketing and software engineering, only this thing.
All MBA,
MBAs and software engineering, it's nothing,
MBAs, yeah,
and
software
they are
engineers.
in
They
plenty,
will be
but
just
now they
thinking
are
they
ruling.
don't know the sensibilities of writing also. I mean,
Yeah,
I'm not criticizing someone, but they will be judging to take one movie or
they are
series to
Hindi movies.
their
They are
channel.
Hindi movies. If you watch their Hindi movies, I can't show to my any family member such bad movies they are having on Netflix.
True.
Even my
You cannot sit with
friend,
the family.
no, it's they are like not even worth to watch actually. Not that there is
True.
any content which is adult content, but what they are making, I mean, we used to say, if some people makes used to make a bad movie, or someone who is very first movie maker, we used to say he is making a diploma in Bombay. So now they are worse than diplomas, like student films,
You're right.
worse than student films. And I think people who are not on, from films, they are making movies for them. So
You know
movies
that.
are very bad movies are there. Like some are good, series are good, but for you, if you see Mindhunter, the people behind Mindhunter is, I think, some person who is already like a big name. I mean, big name in the sense he has made movies. So if you see Six Underground, which is available on Netflix, I think it's a Netflix original. This means they produce it. But the Six Underground is directed by Michael Bay, who directed Transformer and Pearl Harbor. So actual people are from industry, from academic background. This is the problem. But it is an irony that within our industry also, I told you in the very first classes, that two things are there with every people: one feeling of inferiority and one feeling of humiliation. We feel humiliated. So what happens within industry when you? I tell you one thing, and I have no, like, I post so many things, like I am giving this, okay, I am making this and putting on YouTube. My film school friends, they never do any liking on my posts. Why don't they do?
Understood.
Their friend is doing such a work. No one has done. From 1954, FTI started. Now FTI and SRFTI, two government institutes are getting crores of rupees. Why they haven't produced such programs? When they will produce, they will charge 5 lakh rupee, 1 lakh rupee, 2 lakh rupee fee. So people don't appreciate you. This is the problem with the industry also. If you work with someone, if you work with someone, suppose you are a writer, you will go and ask. They will make fun of you. Later on, you will find they are making projects on your ideas. They have nothing.
This happened with me
Yeah,
actually, my students also, because
yeah,
they make a fun of you are a software engineer, a English medium candidate, you don't know anything about it. It's like filmmaking is completely different and writing is completely different.
yeah.
You just from a English medium school kind of thing. I mean, humiliation kind of thing.
I think
Upfront actually.
I heard this interview of Javed Akhtar. I think he was saying that he had no idea about writing, He never wrote any songs. He was just a script writer. And when things were not working, I think Yash Chopra asked him to write for his movie. I think Silsila or Kabhi Kabhi was the movie. And he had no clue how to write, but somehow he managed to write. And now he is the biggest, one of the biggest writers. So he had no knowledge, nothing. Urdu knowledge he might be having, or must have read some Shairi books. But where there is a will, there is a way. That's one thing. I had this thing in mind. Actually, I am telling you one thing. I tried to make script writing classes many years ago, like 2 3 years ago. But I could not speak. I was so much, so I was so nervous. I made only one
Obviously,
class.
yeah, because
So
people are there, so how to.
people are there, and do you know what is your topic? Do you know in depth? Do you understand? I had knowledge, technical knowledge. I had. That's okay. That's fine. But do I have insight? Can I see into that thing?
Change. In initial days, it's like that. Yeah, that's how we learn.
Yeah.
That's how we grow.
See, I told you that I have 70 people. 70 people who contacted me after I started this class, and before this I had around 100 people. So around 170 people I have in my phone numbers who contacted me to learn script writing. How many people are here today? 4 people, including me. 5 people are there. So it's a
Yeah, we
long.
can see daily people only are hardly. Yeah.
Yeah. Today for whole day I was putting. See, I tell you one thing. Today is 27th day. I took 2 breaks. In between, I also did my other business also. I am telling you, for the last 27 days, only when I didn't took class 2 days back, only on that day I took off my eyes from the screen, and I was dying to take off my eyes away from the screen. So much my eyes are burning. You can see these dark patches are coming.
Yeah, that's what, bro. I told them like the same day when we were discussing because you are putting some effort. So at least I'm not saying that it's like doing the favor because this is favor for myself as a writer. If
Yeah,
I want,
I
or if
also
I want
said
to
that
become
it's
a writer,
for me
this is
also, for
myself.
other people also.
True. That is myself only, right? Because you are saying you are putting some effort and you are doing this. This is not for yourself. Of course, you are doing for yourself. But if I am watching, if I am working on this, that is for myself. I mean, my
Yeah.
progression.
Yeah, we all
That
are
is how it
learning.
should
We
be.
all learn together actually.
True.
Yeah. I am not getting the page. I am actually a little bit confused. So maybe tomorrow I will take this. Uh, so anyway, so anything if someone wants to ask, Ashok,
Yeah. Sorry. Maybe you
yeah,
thought of taking the
I
class this
have the
time, but I
paper.
asked
I
you
have the
question.
papers actually, but they are from episode 7. I am thinking
Okay.
that I have completed episode 7. See, yesterday I told you now about this thing. Yeah, I told you that he got his Janny has come into his life. This I told you, no?
Okay.
You were not there yesterday.
I was not there. I guess I didn't join.
Okay, okay. I think I did this. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, you told that, sir.
Yeah. So let us finish within 5 minutes. I will wrap up with this episode 8. It is small. So its name is Better Call Saul. So Ashok told me that Better Call Saul is one of the prequel they have made. I will watch it, but after watching 5 episodes, 5 seasons. So after Badger is arrested in a sting operation by the Albuquerque police, Walt and Jesse look into. So this is the entry of advocate. Now this advocate is very traditional Hollywood character. If you have seen any movies of Martin Scorsese, you can find such character like who is an advocate and he's having particular features. See, I want to share some knowledge with you. I mean, it's a knowledge about my own experience, my own observation. people are somewhere living in a particular frequency of life. That there are different frequencies of lives, like, and people who are falling in that frequency having same facial feature, might be same voice and same destiny also. This is my personal observation. I am not saying it's correct. I might be totally wrong, but this is something which you can utilize when you are choosing your characters, if you are directing. So people, a particular traits, it's not stereotype, but it's already existing. My face might be similar to someone who is doing my work, who is living a life like me. So some people say in mythology that we have seven uh, people look alike like us, but I think that there's a particular frequency which goes within the universe, within the on the earth, and people falling in that frequency, they have same kind of thinking, same facial features, same voice, same destinies, same families, almost same family problems, same financial problem, same financial gains. So this aspect you can put on your casting. So now Saul comes, advocate, and he is flamboyant lawyer named Saul Goodman. So look at this. His name is Saul Goodman. Goodman is a surname, but it he somewhere he is also good to them, but he is a bad advocate in a sense that if you look at, but he is a good. So they have given this name Saul Goodman, or might be it is related to some other person in real life. Saul has already offered to be Badger's legal counsel and has found out that the DEA is hoping that Badger will lead them to Heisenberg. So Heisenberg, Heisenberg is the name which Walter keeps while he is dealing with drug dealers. So now they are not looking for someone whose name is Walter. The drug department is looking for someone with the name Heisenberg. Walt poses Walt possess a possess, Walt poses as Badger's uncle and goes to Saul's office. Okay, so what happens that before that, there one of their guy friend of Jesse is arrested, and Walter goes to meet this advocate, pretending that he is uncle of that guy, and he tries to bribe him, but he refuses. Then Walt and Jesse, what they do, they kidnaps him. But when he was talking to his uncle, he is coughing like, and when they kidnap him, at that time they are having masks, but by the same cough, Saul understands, he recognizes that he is the same guy. Walt and Jesse resort to kidnapping Saul, threatening to kill him if he does not keep Badger from informing on them. However, Saul sees through their scare tactics and insists and instead asks for payment so he can legally represent them and keep their talks confidential. Saul tells the duo about a man, Jimmy, in and out. So what happens that Saul tells them about a man who can pretend to be Heisenberg, and there's a very interesting dialogue when they are talking about this person that they will pay some good amount to this person and he will pretend that he is Heisenberg. He is Heisenberg, and police will come and arrest him. And he says a very interesting thing that this person likes better inside prison. So this is a kind of a joke also, and it's a kind of a what do you say? It's a kind of a criticism of our life, like, so prisons are better than outside. The DEA bursts quickly. Okay, so this happens that they arrange this thing, and it's a very funny scene where Walter's friend sits, and then this guy comes, and Walter. I mean, it's a scene you can go and watch. So ultimately, what happens that They arrest a wrong person considering that he is a Heisenberg. But Hank is not convinced. When they did this, Hank is not convinced that they have arrested the right person. Then what happens? Skylar goes to work on Saturday and Walt notices that she is dressing specially well for job with Ted. Now Skylar starts working at Ted's office. Ted's is her ex-boyfriend, and Walter doesn't like this that she is getting dressed. So he is thinking that there is something wrong. Seeing that Hank has holed himself into house, Walt gives him a motivational speech talking about how he has not had any fear in his life since he was diagnosed with terminal lung cancer. This helps Hank leave the house, but he still has panic attacks. Meanwhile, Jesse has slept with Jane and learns she is in recovery from addiction. Later after Later after Jesse orders a mattress for his apartment, he and Jane have sex once again. So what happens? So in this scene, Walter tells like Hank is having this trauma of dealing with. There was a particular scene where a head is on a tortoise and the head bursts. Some scene was there. So he vomits. Hank vomits and he's having fear of this drug mafia. And Walter comes to for his counseling for healing him. This has happened so far up to 8 episodes. 9 episodes are left that we will cover in the later sessions. So anyone wants to ask anything or anything, someone wants to add something like okay fine. So this class is over. So tomorrow we will meet and we will try to finish this. Maybe not in 1 or 2 or 3 sessions. So thank you very much for coming. Have a nice day. Good night.